Hi everyone, Lara from Fergus here. In this video, we'll be covering how to set up Fergus's new Enquiries feature and how to use it. The Enquiries feature makes it easy for you to receive and manage customer job inquiries within Fergus Web and on the Fergus Go app through a web contact form. The Enquiries feature will help you grow your business while staying organised and responsive. Before you can get started, you'll need to enable Enquiries in the Settings menu. Head to the top right and click on Settings, then click on Enquiries in the left-hand side menu and switch it on. Fergus will generate a unique URL for your web form. You can copy the link with this button and preview your contact form as well by clicking here. It will be pre-filled with your company logo and name, so it's personalised to your business. You can send this link directly to your customer, or you can add your link to your website. There are a few guides on this page about how to add your link to some of the popular website building platforms. If someone else manages your website, you can click this Send Email button, which will generate a pre-filled email template with your unique link and instructions. Once you've done this, you should be all set up to use Enquiries. Let's use the link to complete an inquiry as if we were a customer. The customer can add their name, email, phone number, address, description, and photos. Once they have submitted the request, you should get a notification on your Fergus Go app and on the desktop. Now we can head back to our homepage, and you'll notice there's an Enquiries section in the top right. There's also a red dot indicating there are inquiries needing to be actioned. Clicking into this, you'll see any inquiries and can also add manual inquiries in the top right. The inquiry is sitting in here with a to-do status. From here, we can view the inquiry to see the customer details, job description, and any images they've included, and we can also add notes to the inquiry and view the activity log as well. From here, there are 4 actions we can take. We can click this mail button to send a quick email to the customer, click create a job to turn the inquiry into an active job, click the drop-down arrow and mark as contacted, and finally, we can also reject the inquiry. You can also perform these actions by clicking the 3 dots next to each inquiry. These actions translate to the 4 statuses your inquiry can have: to do, contacted, job created, and rejected. You can filter your inquiries by these statuses as well in this drop-down. Once you click Create Job, Fergus will turn your inquiry into a job with the job and customer details pre-filled. You can also manage inquiries through Fergus Go, as long as you've enabled inquiries in your Fergus desktop settings first. Your Inquiries tab will be in the menu section in the bottom right of the app. Just like on the desktop version, a red dot indicates that there is an inquiry waiting to be actioned. Click on Inquiries and you'll see the list of inquiries here. There is also a button at the top allowing you to share your inquiry form link. When you click this button, you'll be prompted to pick a method of sharing. For example, I can open my Messages app, send it via email, or even just copy the link. From here, you can click on an inquiry to view the details and can then either create a job or reject the inquiry. You can also click on the 3 dots in the top right to create a job, mark as contacted, or reject the inquiry as well. This will update the status of the inquiry so you have visibility on where it's at and what else may need to be done.